I will talk about how can you find your like it on your Threads app. Will you go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app? So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, you click in this sign down here. When you just click on it, so then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, so you just go above this sign, click on it. You just click on it here, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on like it, you just click on it. So then here you will find like it you have. I have nothing here, but you have any like it, any posts, you will find it here in this list on your Threads app. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.